In my previous videos, we have talked about what are the basics of linear regression and assumptions of linear regression. Today, we are going to be talking about how linear regression works. So the goal of linear regression is to find the best fit line such that the distance between this data point and our line is minimum. So if you see in this figure, this yellow line shows the best fit line and these green dots are our data points, and the blue line is the distance between our data point and line, and we want to minimize distance for all of these points. So we start with a random line first, such that the equation of line is given by h theta of x is equal to theta 0 plus theta 1 of x, where theta 0 is the intercept of line and theta 1 is the slope of line and x is the data point. Then we calculate the cost function. Now cost function is denoted by j theta of 0 and theta of 1, considering we just have one independent variable for now. That is given by 1 upon 2m summation of I is equal to 1 to m h theta of x of I minus yi whole square. Now this is our cost function. It is also called as mean squared error because this is our predicted value. Sometimes it's denoted by y hat, and this is our true value y, and we are taking a difference of this, so we are taking the residual and then we are squaring it and then dividing it by 1 upon 2m, that is dividing it by the total number of data points, and that is why we call this as mean squared error. Now the aim is we have to minimize this j theta 0 theta 1, that is minimize the cost function, so that whenever we have the minimized cost function, at that point whatever theta 0 and theta 1 values are, that is our best fit line. In order to do this, what we do is after calculating the cost function, we calculate the theta 0 and theta 1 values. So theta j is equal to theta j minus alpha, which is the learning rate, multiplied by the derivation of cost function with respect to the coefficient. So if we calculate it for theta 0, that will be equal to theta 0 minus alpha, which is the learning rate, 1 upon m summation I is equal to 1 to m h theta of x of I minus yi. This is what the derivation of j theta 0 theta 1 with respect to theta 0 is. So this value corresponds to that. Then we calculate theta 1, that is equal to theta 1 minus alpha into 1 upon m summation of h theta of x of I minus yi into x of I, and this is the derivation of j theta 0 theta 1 with respect to theta 1. Once we get these two updated values, we again go back to step 1, get the best fit line, calculate the cost function, and after finding the cost function, we again update these weights, and we keep on doing this till we reach minimum cost function. And this optimization algorithm is called as gradient descent.